Welcome to Squadra Lupo. My name is Andrew, and today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about our alter ego tire cushions. First of all, let's talk a little bit about what are tire cushions, okay? So these tire cushions right here, they're made to protect your tire against the phenomenon of a flat spot or just ovalization overall when cars are stored for a while. These are our alter ego tire cushions. They're 100% manufactured in Italy. They're made of a very special PU foam with a composite base to maintain its integrity. These are made for cars that are not driven daily, especially cars that are stored from short to long term. Our tire cushions work for any type of vehicle up to 4,400 pounds or 2,000 kilograms. And when we say any vehicle, we mean it. What makes us different? Well, our tire cushions cover 400% more tire surface than regular cushions. And not only that, but we also protect the sidewalls of your tires. Plus, they're made to last 100,000 cycles, which is 6 times in and out daily for the next 23 years. This is a one-time investment for the safety of your tires.